Now let's see this example 5. 1 plus 1 into 1p1 plus 2 in 2 times 2p2 plus 3 times 3p3 and so on n times npn. 1 plus 1 times 1p1 plus 2 times 2p2 plus 3 times 3p3 and so on n times npn. And since we know that number of permutations of n different things taken all at a time, that is npn, we had a formula we have seen in the result. You can check that back. npn is equal to n factorial, right? So using this concept, so 1 plus 1 into 1p1 is nothing but 1 factorial plus 2 times 2p2 is 2 factorial plus 3 times 3p3 is 3 factorial and so on n times npn is n factorial. So which equals to, already we have seen in before examples, one, it's a summation of r is equal to 1 to n, r into r factorial is equal to n plus 1 factorial minus 1. You can check this back. In factorials concept, in the examples we have solved it. Summation r is equal to 1 to n, r times r factorial is equal to n plus 1 factorial minus 1. We can also note it as a point. So here 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial and so on n into n factorial is, so this is nothing but we can write 1 plus summation r is equal to 1 to n into r into r factorial, r into r factorial. So by using the formula we can write 1 plus n plus 1 factorial minus 1. So here 1 and 1 gets cancelled, so the answer is n plus 1 factorial. So 1 plus 1 times 1p1 plus 2 times 2p2 plus 3 times 3p3 and so on n times npn is equal to n plus 1 factorial, right? Okay.